What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. Today, I've got a brand new item in my possession, and this is from the house of FFern. I'm not sure if you're supposed to pronounce it like FFern, Fern, or FFern, whatever it is. Jokes aside. So this is a house that I discovered through Instagram. Like, I've been seeing posts about it, and just so you know, this is a house that releases fragrance for every season. So right now it's summer, so they're going for summer 2024. It's gonna be fall, it's gonna be winter, stuff like that. So it's almost like a subscription service. So today I've got my package right here. It's still unopened. As you can see, it's a brand new thing. So I'm about to open it for you guys, and of course make sure you are subscribed to my channel if this is your first time. So let me know in the comments if you use any subscription service. So inside the box there's like a certificate of authenticity, or like a, not sure what this is, but yeah, it's almost like a certificate, maybe some kind of an authentication of something. So there's that. And of course the fragrance name, it's almost like a ticket, like admit one. So this is like the fragrance for summer 2024. Their release is called Tuscan Summer. I believe that's what it is. I could be wrong, do correct me in the comments. Oh, you've got a beautiful letter or something like that. So in here there's another small box, and these all look recyclable material. Good stuff, good for the environment. And so far I got to know that FFern fragrances are mostly natural ingredients, so of course I'm not sure what to expect from the performance projection. We'll find it all. And this is the little sample vial, the scent, that if you don't like it, you can, return the item. But hey man, you know me, I'm gonna do the full bottle opening. I'm not returning anything. And over here, yeah, this is some kind of a tea that they send. So this is like a really nice touch, that besides your fragrance, they also send you some extra goodies. So this is the tea they send. These are what tester strips. Well, okay, I will use my personal handy dandy one, of course. I'm not sure what this is. Guys, you tell me in the comments if you've ever purchased anything from FFern, whatever it is. Not sure what this thing is. I'll have to read it up. So nothing much. So the fragrance comes in a box like this. I believe this was a 30 ml size. So this is a box, all recyclable material. You've got some information on the back. Pretty simple. FFern is embossed. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open. Here it is. The fragrance sits right there inside. Nice. Any leakage? No leakage. I would say this is like pretty darn good. It's very nice, I must say. Like, so simple, yet it looks so attractive. Like, almost like one of those beautiful vintage stuff. So the fragrance is right in there. I had no idea it would be that small, but who cares? So you pop it open. There's no cap. So there you go. That's the bottle. No cap. So guys, if you're disappointed, I'm disappointed too, but hey, listen, they know what they're doing. So there it is, 30 ml size. It's, I believe, I'm not sure about the concentration. We'll talk about it later on. So first, before I even spray it, let me tell you, on the top you've got lemon rind, pink peppercorn, grapefruit rind, green mandarin rind. Wow. A lot of citruses, olibanum, fennel seed, blood orange rind. Oh my god. On the mids you've got bay leaf, neroli, bergamot rind, coriander seed, nutmeg, patchouli, red champaca flower. There's a lot going on. And on the base you've got red cedar, vetiver root, benzoin siam, brown-eyed rock rose, and hay. Hey, time to spray it on. Sorry guys, I'm taking a bit too long with this, but this is a brand new house for me. I have no idea what to expect. Time for the tester strip. Here goes. That's the atomizer right there. Okay, thing came in primed. Man, if you are a citrus lover, I mean, you'll fall in instant love with this. Lots of citrus going on, the pink pepper warmth coming right through. It's not one of the sharp, spicy, like too sharp in your face, not like that. It's very smooth, very gentle warmth. Citrus is coming right through, and remember, this is the rind, it's not the fruit itself, unlike other fragrances that might have the essence of the fruit, or it depicts the essence of the entire fruit. But here they're using the rind, so it's mostly the zest and the little white part that's inside. Wow. Some kind of an earthy quality to it. It's bright. Very summery, like extremely nice. Beautiful stuff. And then I can feel some of that vetiver coming through. So now the vetiver over here, it says vetiver root, so it's almost like that, the smell of dry soil, like dry earth. It's not of that wet kind of feel. And it's actually very nice. Like, I'm not a big fan of patchouli, not a very big fan of vetiver in all cases. Like, it has to be right there with me. But it's slowly dying down. I don't know if this thing needs to sit and macerate for a while. Nice. I'll go on skin. So on skin, it kind of feels sharp, but it's sharp as if, like, if you just freshly peeled an orange or lemon, like you take out the rind, and you know the oils that spit out, like it sprays out, goes into your eyes, it's burning. That kind of sharpness, but it's not too sharp. Very warm weather friendly, 100%. The warmth kicking in. The patchouli, at least on my skin, it's coming through, but it's not like a full potential patchouli. It's there. It's kind of like a dark, bit bitter kind of sensation coming through. The vetiver is coming through right now, and the warmth is right there. I believe the red champaka flower is playing another role over here. It kind of has that, I think it has that like a narcotic, almost like an addictive kind of essence that, you know, it draws you in. I would say this is like, when they say summer, I believe they were serious about it. Like, this was real good, at least in the first impression. I'm gonna wear this fragrance more, of course, and slowly I can feel this thing is amping up. Like, although they said this is there's way more natural ingredients in there, man, this is good. It stands out. Definitely nothing that I've smelled smells like this. This is FFern Summer 2024. It's changing, it's slowly changing, it's mellowing down now. It's taking a full-bodied form, almost kind of like a juicy feeling at this point. Impressed. That's money well spent, almost like 150 bucks for 30 mil. And again, guys, you'll be disappointed, especially for those who love to travel with their fragrances. You better keep it in this like cylindrical box capsule, whatever you call it, and you better keep it closed, otherwise it's gonna spray all over the place. But it smells good. This one's good. So guys, that was my unboxing and first impression of FFern Summer 24. Guys, let me know in the comments if you have tried anything else from this house. What's your experience with Summer 24? If you have tried it, or any other thing that you've tried, let me know in the comments. And of course, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. Thank you for staying on my channel, and until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.